Hi guys, it's Chris from Scooter Hardcore, and today I'm doing an unboxing on my new district clamp for my scooter because my other one snapped in half. So we're just gonna get it out here. There it is. So, as you can see, you got your district clamp with the metal shim inside, and then you take it off. It looks like they give you a sticker or something. Oh, it's like a plastic, but it's kind of like a sticker. And then you got your two-piece. And you got your metal shim right there if you need it. And then slips on your handlebars and just tighten it up. And then, yeah, so thanks. And see you guys later. Bye.